Hi, I'm Lee Watson, Tax Director at Clive Owen LLP.
And I'm Ian Jarvis, Director of Managed Services at Clive Owen.
Clive Owen, it's a 12-partner accountancy practice based within the North East and North Yorkshire. We offer specialist services such as tax planning, grants assistance, payroll, corporate finance, in addition to the usual compliance services such as audit, accountancy, tax returns and payroll.
Managed Services look after the regular contact with the clients, so we look after bookkeeping, VAT returns, most importantly management accounting, which is moving towards the cloud.
At the moment, many VAT registered businesses will submit their VAT returns via the government gateway. This facility will close from April 2019 as the government are expecting all VAT registered businesses with turnover in excess of £85,000 to comply with Making Tax Digital.
Making Tax Digital is going to mean a couple of different things. First of all, businesses are going to have to keep their records electronically, and they can't get away from that. The second thing is that those submissions are going to have to come electronically from their VAT account straight to HMRC. In addition to VAT, this is just the starting point. We're expecting this to roll out to other areas of taxation. This will include income tax and corporation tax and will involve quarterly reporting to the revenue.
Businesses caught by this will include sole traders, partnerships, LLPs, companies, as well as landlords.
Under Making Tax Digital, you're going to have to keep your records electronically, which for most people you mean a cloud accounting system. At Clive Owen, we see the cloud as being very much part of the solution to Making Tax Digital. A lot of people keep their information on spreadsheets when actually they can keep all that record in a cloud accounting piece of software, which will be functionally compatible with the requirements of Making Tax Digital. Cloud accounting is when you can log into your accounting from anywhere with an internet connection. Effectively, this is just like accessing any other website. Ultimately, this means you can access it from anywhere. The system is always up to date. It also has high levels of security and is very collaborative. Most cloud accounting providers have 256-bit level encryption. They also have two-factor authentication, whereby if I log into a piece of software from somewhere I've not been before, I'll be sent a passcode to my phone to verify it's myself. Xero and QuickBooks often refer to this as bank-level security.
The providers of the cloud accounting software are ready for Making Tax Digital, and because you're on the latest version of their software, your business, if it chooses their software, will be compatible with Making Tax Digital. Some of the desktop systems that businesses use are not ready for Making Tax Digital. According to HMRC figures, in 2014-15, approximately £3.5 billion of tax revenue was lost due to errors. HMRC believe that was because of the human input into the submission of the VAT returns. They believe that with the introduction of Making Tax Digital, the human input and therefore the errors will not occur.
The real cost to a business is making sure that they are on a system which is compatible to be able to make those submissions. An awful lot of people, this will simply mean updating your existing software, but for those on a bespoke system it might be a bit more difficult, and for those keeping manual records you're certainly going to want to look for something else.
As far as we're aware, there are no penalties for non-compliance until at least April 2020. However, as a business you will have no other way to submit your VAT return, so while there may not be a direct penalty for not complying with Making Tax Digital, you could end up with VAT surcharges in relation to unpaid VAT sums. Doing nothing is not the answer. Now you need to bear in mind that with the April 2019 deadline, a lot of businesses will leave everything towards that deadline. Accountants are going to be inundated with requests to help their clients assist with the transition to Making Tax Digital and a new piece of accounting software. So don't leave it too late. Make sure you talk to your accountant and don't get caught in the rush.
At Clive Owen, we've been using cloud accounting software for a number of years, as well as the more traditional desktop systems. We can help you as little or as much as you want with making tax digital. For a lot of people, this will involve an initial systems conversion, but far more importantly for me, it's actually looking after your staff and the people doing the inputting. For those of you that really don't want to do the inputting afterwards, we can do that for you as well with one of our bookkeeping solutions.
Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative. The key message to take away is this won't be delayed. From April 2019, this will come in, so you really need to act now.
Pick up the phone and please don't get caught in the rush.